I want to show you what might be the prettiest rack ever. We didn't know it was going to be so nice when we ordered it. It is really handsome. It's got some, dark stained, medium dark stained wood blocks on the end that are nice and round. There's no sharp edges. This is really a neat finish. It's kind of this hammer finish. Of course, the octopus hooks are great. A little trick is if you put all the eyes like that, it's kind of funny. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Couple locking screws. It is mounted on a cleat on the back. So to get the cleat off, you take those screws out, then you mount it on the wall. This is a heavy rack, and we're going to put heavy stuff on it, right? We're going to put coats on it and backpacks. That's why it's so low. So I marked my studs real quick, and I marked the center, which just happens to be that line. That's the center of this picture above. And then that happened to match up with a stud, but these other two didn't. It doesn't really matter. You can tell I hit the stud. I just cracked that. Oops, dang. Sorry, bud. Anyways, cleat is on. Then let's just show what it's going to look like. Here, give me a second. This is our laundry room where everyone... Oh, and I leveled the cleat. I used this level. There we go. So everyone comes and goes from the laundry room into the garage. So we just set this on there. And I got to remember where my center is. There we go. So here is... There you can see it's mounted. Let me... So it's hanging up there. Oh, hold on just a second, sweetie. I'm doing a video. Can you wait a minute? Thanks. So the cleat, this just hangs right on that cleat. My hand is on center, and there is my, right there. There's my center. So that's about right. And then, to lock it in, it's hard to do with one hand. I'd like to kind of guide it, but you know, there we go. Just terrible on the screw. That's all right. So now that is one stable. Oh man, it's not all the way in. All right, that should do it. There we go. Wow, yeah, that's good. Alright, so that's going to hang backpacks, and then I'll put our picture. I hope I get it. Oh, I missed the cable. Ah! Danger! Oh, man. Sorry, I was overreacting. Alright, I'm going to kind of scooch it. Come on. Well, I think I might have... Oh, there we go. So, now... Oh, sorry. We're in a genuine working laundry room here. Yeah, so now when the kids come in and out of the garage, they can just hang their backpack, alright? And everyone can have a hook. They can put their hat or their backpack. Is this not focused on? Alright, so handsome wall hook. And case in point, this will get off the dryer. So I think everyone's going to end up being reassigned a hook. And one for each of the kids, and then Mama can have a hook. Or I can have a hook, and we can have a little organization. So there we go. And then when they come in through the garage, they can just drop their backpack. Garage door is filthy, anyway, but yeah, there we go. What do you think?
Nice.
Do you like it?
Did you have the Did you have the idea of putting our masks on it?
Oh, you put your mask on it, sure. All right. There you got it. Beautiful. It's really easy to install, by the way. Just you need a level, you need a drill driver, For an impact driver,
Not so easy.
you need a
I know how to.
stud finder. Why am I doing that? Okay.
What?
Get a level, stud finder, drill driver, measuring tape. It's nice to know how far down to put the cleat, right? And then here's the hardware it comes with. It comes with 4 of those construction screws, and I didn't use a wall anchor. And then the 2 more identical construction screws are the ones that lock in the top. And then this is how we roll. That is a colored pencil that we use. So there's your installation tools. Installation says it takes 50 minutes. It really is just how long is it going to take you to screw 2 or 3 screws into the wall. I like that a lot. I think that's going to be good. All right. Do not be afraid or discouraged.